viewers, welcome to our latest jobs or notifications. In this video, I want to share another excellent opportunity with you regarding bank job. Before going to start the application process, see here latest jobs. This is our YouTube channel. Here I am uploading recent notifications regarding jobs, vacancies, PhD admissions and entrance examinations. So for getting regular updates, please subscribe our channel and share it to your friends. Now we will start the application process. See here, National Housing Banking, which was the head office is in Delhi, releases recruitment for the various posts. So the application starts from 28/9/2023 and 18th October 2023. So the eligibility cutoff criteria will be given. So cutoff date of our eligibility criteria will be 1/9/2023 and the website link for online registration of applicants and payment of fees or intimated charges 28/9/2023 means the last date of this application process will be 28th of this month, and again last date for online registration, and again download of e-call letter, conduct of interview, declaration of final results will be intimated later in the website. So I will share the website link also in the description. See here the number of vacancies, so the regular posts. So for general manager scale, so there will be total one vacancy which was unreserved, that is project finance, and again deputy general manager, chief finance officer, there will be again one vacancy, unreserved will be one. Assistant general manager, which is scale 5, so that is economics post, so the total number of vacancy will be 1 and it is given for SC. And deputy manager scale 2, including one backlog vacancy under SC category. So there will be two different positions, one will be economist, another will be MIS. So in the economist there will be one vacancy, and for MIS there will be 3 vacancy, and for OBC non-criminal layer that one economist post will be given, and for these 3 posts in the MIS, OBC will be occupied 2 and SC will be 1. And again assistant manager scale 1, so generalist post there will be huge number of vacancy in this generalist, which was 16, and in that unreserved will be 6, economically weaker section will be 1, OBC non-criminal layer will be 3, and ST 1, SC 2, and again Hindi there will be only one vacancy, that is given for OBC non-criminal layer. And again there will be contractual posts also, which was chief economist, senior application developer, senior project financial officer, project financial officer. So chief economist and senior application officer will be occupied one post, that is given only for the unreserved candidates. Okay, and again senior application developer will be given 2 vacancies, that is also occupied for the unreserved candidates. And again senior project finance officer will be given total number of 7 vacancies. In that SC will be 2, ST will be 1, OBC non-criminal will be 4, and again project financial officer there will be total number of 8 vacancies. In that economical weaker section will be 2, OBC non-criminal will be 4, ST 1, SC 1. So and again there will be total number of 43 vacancies. So individual discipline wise will be taken, SC will be 7, ST will be 3, and OBC non-criminal will be 15, and economically weaker section will be 3, and unreserved will be 15. So for the post of vacancy reserved for the persons with benchmark disabilities, so assistant manager visually impaired, that is only one vacancy. Okay, so the age limit will be given for chief economist, which was in contract, minimum age will be 40 and age minimum is not given, maximum will be 62 years. General manager minimum 40 years to 55 years, deputy general manager also 40 to 55 years, and again assistant general manager 32 years to 50 years, and again deputy manager, which is scale 2, 23 years to 32 years, and again senior application developer 25 years to 35 years, and again application developer will be 23 years to 32 years, assistant manager scale 1 21 years 30 years, and again senior project financial officer 40 to 59 years, and again project financial officers 35 years to 59 years. So there will be some relaxation will be given for SC and ST, which was 5 years, and person other OBC will be 3 years, and person with benchmark disability will be given, PWD unreserved candidates 10 years, and SC ST candidates will be 15 years in PWD, and OBC will be 13 years, and ex-serviceman quota will be given up to 5 years. And the qualification will be given for chief economist, a master degree in economics, and again general manager, graduate in any disciplines with chartered accountant, deputy manager, general manager, chartered accountant, desirable education qualification like PRM, FRM certifications, and also CFA. Assistant general manager, postgraduate degree in economics, and again experience also given here. So I will share this application link in the description. So you please go through the procedure required for the essential qualification. So based on your eligibility, you can apply for the required post. So for each and every post they are clearly given. So I hope this information is very useful. And again, so the level of pay will be given for economical weaker sections, and also so what income level they have to come under economically weaker section, all these things will be given clearly, and the scheme of selection also given here. So this is the important information I will go through once. So reasoning and computer aptitude will be total number of 45 questions, maximum marks will be 60, and time allotted for each test will be 60 minutes, and general awareness number of questions will be 50, maximum marks will be 50, and time allotted 40 minutes. English language number of questions 25, maximum marks 30, and time allotted 35 minutes. And quantitative aptitude number of questions will be 35, maximum marks will be 60, and time allotted 45 minutes. So totally there will be 3 hours divided in subject wise like this, and number of questions will be 155, maximum marks will be 200. So English language letter writing and essay number of questions will be 2, maximum marks will be 225. So it will be given 30 minutes. And reasoning and computer for assistant manager Hindi. So they have given reasoning and computer aptitude number of questions will be 45, maximum marks will be 45. So the time will be allotted 45 minutes. Similarly, general awareness 50 questions, 50 marks, time will be 45 minutes. English language 25 questions, 30 marks, time will be allotted 30 minutes. Like name of test, professional knowledge, that is number of questions 50, maximum marks 75, time will be given 60 minutes, and total 170 number of questions, maximum 200, and 3 hours time will be allotted. So Hindi language 2 number of questions, maximum marks will be 25, and time allotted 30. Type of test will be descriptive. So like that selection of position also given. So if you really feel informative this video, please like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you.